In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this font flip animation. Also, I'll explain how I use line trace to detect obstacle and find a way to jump over a specific location. Now I'm going to download this font flip animation. Download with skin. Now I'm going to import this animation inside this Mixamo converter. Then I'm going to convert this animation. Import animation. Import all. I'm going to retarget this animation into our skeleton. Export animation. Now I want to add a box trace right here. If this box trace blocks something, then we are going to add another capsule trace right here. If our line trace, if our box trace hits something, then we are going to place another capsule trace right there. And if our capsule trace hit nothing, then we can jump over this area. Let me show you in practical. It will be easier. In our third person character, I'm going to get this event tick for now. Then box trace by channel. Set this to one frame. Layer location. Oops. Get actor location. Get actor forward vector. I'm going to multiply this value and then add. Set this to float. Let this also float. I'm going to start on 100 forward, and this will be 300. And hull size, set this to 20, 20, 20. Get door rotation. This is going to be our orientation. I think I have to set this to 20. Be 30, and then set this to 30, maybe. I think Set this to 100. Okay, now if our box trace hits something, then I'm going to create a branch. If our box hits something, then we're going to add another tool trace by channel. Copy this core node and paste here. Set this to start, also end. This is going to be 300. Set this to for one frame. Also, I'm going to change this trace color to white. Okay, and this part is the important part. We have to select our capsule and get this value and paste here. Our radius is going to be 35 and half size. Set this to 90. Now here you can see okay, now we are hitting this cube. We're hitting this cube, then after that on hit we are going to place another capsule trace, but this capsule trace also hit this cube, so we cannot jump here. So let me show you again. Now here you can see we have enough space to jump this location. So I'm going to do add a branch. If our capsule trace are not hitting anything, then we are going to add or play montage. Set our skeleton mesh, and we have to create animation montage. For that I'm going to open our animation. What is that animation? This one. We have to enable root motion. Now I'm going to create any montage. This is going to be our flip montage. Set it here, and also add a note called do once. Okay, and reset this on complete. Now I'm going to get this capsule component and then move to component. We have to get this value here, and rotation is going to be our actor rotation. So this easy in, easy out, and time will be 6.6 maybe. Let's check. Oh, also select this cube, all of this cube. In collision, set to custom and overlap camera only. Also in animation, I'm going to start, okay, set this to second. I'm going to start on 50 second. So start position, set this to 0.5. I'm going to add 40 on this box dress start, maybe 50. Okay, set this to 80. Oops, not 880. No, set this to 80 and also set this to 350. Okay, set this to 0.8 second. Now here you can see we are jumping through this wall. So to fix that, I'm going to add another box trace right here, another box trace here, to check if we are hitting something. For that, I'm going to add another box trace. Let's, okay, now I'm going to add some space here, then get this box trace, paste here, and then copy this note and paste. Also, we have to get this rotation. Now, I'm going to do in viewport, I'm going to add a arrow. This will be our ref, oops, box trace, box trace position. Set this position around here. Now we have to get this box trace and get world location. This is going to be our start trace, and get forward vector. This is going to be our end trace. Set this to 300 for one frame. Set this color to green, not green, blue. Check. Okay, also I'm going to break this link for now. I think I'm going to set this to 70. Mm, 20 20 by 20. No, set this to 300. Now add a branch. If we are hitting something, then we cannot jump, but if we are not hitting something, then we can do this section. If you want this to more accurate, then you can increase this size. Okay, I'm going to set this to 200, I mean 20 for now. I'm going to set this to 320. Let's check. What about 300? Okay, now I'm going to set this box size to 20 by 20. Okay, in Eventic, fast box stress set this to 300 by 800, and half size 25, 20, 20, and set this to 320. Also this one will be 320. Okay, now I'm going to remove this event truck and create a custom event. This will be our yes, flip race. I'm going to call this flip race on our spacebar, then on cast fail I'm going to call this event flip trace. Yeah, now if I press space, here you can see now we are jumping, and then in our flip trace on false I'm going to paste this jump note here. Also copy this jump note, paste here also here. Here you can see now we are jumping, and then set this to for duration maybe. Okay, 5 for duration. I'm going to increase the size. uh, cool. I think I have to increase this size to 100 maybe. this to 350. Hmm. Set this to 7. I think I have to add this to 5 and set this to 400. This is going to be 350. Yeah. Mhm. Okay. Now I'm going to set this to none. None.